Disasters in the doomsday years will only become more severe. All beings must be mentally prepared and not wander about recklessly. The same is true throughout the world. In the days to come, there will be frequent earthquakes, fierce storms, blizzards with hail in the United States, volcanic eruptions, and tsunamis. All beings must be prepared for these events. Never blame heaven or earth. Everything is a result of one's own actions. In your free time, focus on cultivating your mind and transform negative thoughts into positive ones. Treat all beings around you with kindness, as this is the only way to save yourself. The mind is the root of everything. It gives commands, and the body acts accordingly. Negative thoughts lead to negative actions and ultimately to disasters. Greed, anger, ignorance, arrogance, and doubt are the causes of evil. Evil deeds bring about evil consequences, and when evil accumulates, disasters occur. This is the root of disasters. Always recite Namo Tirnuam Taibo Amitabha for peace. Every family should recite this for their own safety. The Eastern sage is none other than Messiah, God, the great deity created by heaven. Durga, Freya, Isis all are the same deity. All humans on earth are one family. We should love one another.